Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your view or about you on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just click here. So then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you just go down here, so you keep going and you come here to about me, you just click here, and here you can add all about you. So you just add it here, and it's going to add video on your Tinder app, so like this for example, and it's going to add video. That's all you have to do on your profile. Thank you for your watching. I wish now you are get it. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.